Being in sales as a career is going to test you in ways that you never thought was actually possible. The reason for that is because the upside is so ridiculously big, where what is at stake is hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars per year in commission. The difference between top people in sales and bottom people in sales is like $3,000 a month, hardly scraping by on the low end, versus millions of dollars a year in straight commission as a solo producer, regardless of the industry you're in. But specifically speaking of what I'm in, high ticket sales, people are making $500K. People are doing $750. People are doing $1 million a year in the high ticket sales space when they start managing teams and they start growing beyond just like a closer. And so the stakes are so ridiculously high where naturally it's going to challenge you. The three ways that it really challenges you. First off, number one, it's extremely competitive. It's like the highest of the high competitive sports teams. Think of it like if you grew up playing sports, like this is now the big leagues. This is the NFL, the NBA, the MLB. Like there is no room for playing small ball when you get into sales. Now, if you just want to make like 5 or 10 grand a month, sure. Do that. You can be pathetic. You know, you can make 5, 10 grand a month. But if you really want to grow beyond that, you want to hit 20K months, 30K, 50K, 100K months in sales. I'm telling you right now, it's very competitive. It is even within the team. Like you'll have guys who are making 50 grand a month and guys who are making 10 grand a month in the exact same role. The difference is typically how competitive they are. One just will not stop. So if you're the type of person where like you will not stop, you will do whatever it takes when you see the opportunity in front of you. It's like you get the ball and it's like, give me the ball, coach. Like I'm ready to run. That is the type of person who absolutely crushes it in sales, number one. Number two, as to why sales will test you and shape you so much. It is an endless self-improvement journey of integrity, what you're really built of, building yourself up, breaking yourself down, all within the same time span. And that happens in sales very, very quickly. Okay. Like you're going to figure out what you're made of and figure out what you need to improve to very quickly. Your integrity is everything in sales. Like if I don't wake up when I say I'm going to wake up, that now affects my sales day. I know it seems so small, but it's like you have to stay so in line with the way that you live if you actually want to be a high performer at a high level, because you're asking people to make such uncomfortable and uncertain decisions every day of your life. And so if you're not living that on a day-by-day basis, even down to the small things, we all have our challenges, then you're not living in congruency. You're not going to close as well. Everybody struggles with different things. Overweight people struggle with their weight, right? Addicts struggle with maybe substances. Like everybody's got their thing. And hard is hard, regardless, okay? Different people have different things where it's hard. And so the things that are hard to you, you need to be able to overcome them. It's naturally a self-improvement journey, okay? Number three, when you are talking about really getting to that next level in sales, like true money, well, now you start talking about all the struggles that really come with making more money. There's a lot of young people who mess up their life making a ton of money, making hundreds of thousands of dollars, $500K, $1 million a year, and they go blow it all, or they end up in a bad path. They're not investing it right. They're not actually seeing the future. They're not continuing to do the things that got them there. That's another way that sales is going to test you. It's going to challenge you even once the money comes. That's why I'm telling you, regardless of how long you've been in sales, it's always going to be a challenge. It's always going to be a journey. But if you notice, all of these things I'm talking about, all three of them, are all working towards a better version of you. It's all putting you in a better spot as long as you are willing to show up. That's what I love about sales so much. It's naturally something that just develops you and molds you into a better all-around person. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to settle for average. I don't want to settle for mediocre. I want to be the best at whatever I do. I want to live an amazing life. I want to not just get by, but I want to be able to go on all the vacations. I want to have multiple houses. I want to have multiple supercars. Like I want to live the best, right? I always dreamed of that growing up. It's something I'm always working towards, and I will not stop until I'm able to get there. And that's why I love sales so much, because it's a vehicle that allows for you to do that. And I do high ticket sales, so it's all remote. So that's it. If you guys do want one-on-one high ticket sales coaching to land a high ticket sales role, go down in the description. You can click the first link or DM me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.